Hello and welcome back, everybody. Thank you very much for watching. We want to welcome you back to our channel, and we want to welcome you back to another video about how to make money online. That's right, we are constantly uploading videos on ways you could be making money online. Today's video is going to be about 5 ways to make money online, right? Today we're going to talk about several ways you could be making money online right now. These are very good opportunities in which if you dedicate the time you could make a lot of money. So thank you very much for watching. First of all, we want to invite you to subscribe to the channel. We want to thank you very much to those who have subscribed, commented, and liked the videos, because it helps us, right? It helps us for you to like the videos and give us support and subscribe, and it helps you because we are constantly bringing you these awesome videos, and we are constantly teaching you ways for you to make money. So let's get started with the first webpage. The first webpage I want to show you is GoTranscript.com. GoTranscript.com is a webpage that specializes in providing transcription services that are 100% human generated. It's a great webpage because it provides services to very big companies that need transcriptions, right? So if a big company needs transcriptions but they don't want to find the people and hire them, etc., 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 they go to places like this and then they get their transcriptions. This is a very well respected webpage. You can see over there some of the universities that back them up, right? So what are we doing here? We don't need transcription services, but we do need a job. So actually, if you go down here and you look down here in the work area, if you click on it, you can become an affiliate. This is great for us. This is a great opportunity for us to make some money from our home, from the comfort of our bed. Even if we want to, we can just transcribe stuff for them, write it out, send it to them, and make some money. This is a great advantage for us. If you look at this webpage, it says here we get generous commissions, high conversion rates, direct payments. You know, it's very easy to sign up, get the material, transcribe it, and get paid. It's a very cool way to make money. You can make a lot of money through here. There's way more information over here on how much you could get paid through it. There's a frequently asked questions section over there that you can look into, because it will probably have any question you have, and if it doesn't answer it, you have that little box at the bottom right where you can talk to someone over there. So I believe this is a very good way for you to make money on the side. You know, maybe a side hustle, maybe a full-time job. If you need the money, this is a cool way to get it. Let's look up here to our sign up area, start earning now, right? So we click on it and we sign up, and that's all we have to do. It's free. So let's look at our next webpage. Our next webpage is Upwork. This is a great webpage because it offers an opportunity for people who need jobs and freelancers to connect. This is a great marketplace for jobs. Here you can work in almost anything. They have areas like writing, web and mobile software development, design and creative design. You know, they have a little bit of everything. If you want to learn a little bit more about this webpage, you should take a look into it because it is amazing. Seriously, guys, this is one of the best ways for freelancers to find jobs, and you can find jobs from anywhere in the world. That's the coolest thing. So take a look at it, you know, look at around the page, check it out. If it's something that you could perform, if it's something that you could do, if you find in any place in here a job that you could do, sign up. It's free. You sign up, they give you some tryout stuff, and you can start sending bids for jobs, and then those bids turn into jobs. It's happened to me. This is what the job feed is gonna look a little bit like, right? So it's gonna tell you here some of the jobs that you could get and make some money. Now let's look at our next webpage. Our next webpage is user testing. Usertesting.com is a webpage where you can test web pages and tell them how you feel about them. And after you tell them how you feel about them, you get paid for it because they want to get your opinion, right? So there's a little video that explains it a little bit better in here, right? So you're gonna click on it and watch it, and you'll find out a little bit more about the web page. But it's a very good way for you to make money. It's a very good way for you to make money from your home, from the comfort of your home, without having to leave at all. You can just hang out, sign up, and make money. So here is what you need to get started. Here is all the stuff you need to get started. So make sure you check out the webpage, make sure you read this over here where it says how to get paid, so that you know you can get paid. Make sure that you are in one of the countries in this list that are available for payment, which you might be because there's a lot of them. So once you're signed up and everything, you can earn up to $60 per test. So sign up and start making some money. Let's look at some of these tabs over here. We have a lot of information we could cover, but I believe the one tab we want to look at is this one, not here at the end, right here. Get paid to test, right? So we're gonna click on that, and it will explain you how it works. It will tell you how the process works, how you will get paid, how you make your voice heard. If you watch other videos, you know that I love this about products. I love this about companies. I love giving my opinion so that the products that I buy from companies are better the next time that I buy them, right? So they are constantly getting better and better and better. And on top of that, I can get paid for it. So I suggest you take a look at this webpage. It's very easy to join. It says there, join today, right? So let's try and request a trial, right? Because you have to be accepted first. We click on it, and this is what we get. So sign up, request a trial, and make money. Now, our next way to make money is Chegg Tutors. Now, this is a cool way for you to make money online. You can tutor people online. You can find students and tutor them over the internet, over your webcam, and you can make money doing it from all over the world, right? So it's a very cool way for you to find work, for you to find a way to make money without leaving your house, just by talking to someone for a few hours, right? A few hours out of your day, make some good extra cash, and have no stress in your life because of the money that you're making. Now, this is the webpage for tutoring, for the people who are looking for tutors. It explains here all the advantages they get, but where we want to go is this become a tutor button right here. So we're going to click on this button, and it's going to send us to this webpage, and this webpage is where all the information about becoming a tutor is. So you will find online tutoring jobs. It says here that tutors can make up to 1,000 or more a month for 20 bucks or more an hour. It says here a lot of stuff that just kind of convinces me that this is a great opportunity for you to make money. They'll send the students to you, you get to build your reputation, and then get more students, you get paid each week. This is just a great opportunity. You should check it out. You should go into the webpage and check out all the information they have available. That you work with students in the levels of middle school, high school, college, and professionals. You know, it's a great way for you to find people to teach and to maybe share a trade or knowledge you already have, and to make money through it. So you click on the become a tutor button over here, and this is gonna pop up, and then you just sign up, and that's how you're gonna start making money through this webpage. Now let's go to our next webpage. Our next webpage is Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk is kind of like the transcribing webpage. It's a webpage that provides a service through the webpage from people who are looking for work, right? So it's kind of similar, but it's not the same because the jobs are not the same. It says here that some of the jobs may be conducting simple data validation and research to more subjective tasks like survey participation, right? So you might be filling out some surveys, you might be looking over some data and making sure the data is correct. You know, it's very easy to make money through here. It's a good way for you to find jobs, especially in your spare time. It says it right here. This is the web page, not for the businesses, but for the workers. Make money in your spare time, get paid completing simple tasks, right? So this is a great way for you to spend your time, maybe an afternoon, maybe a morning. You don't have much to do. You sign up, you start doing simple tasks. All the kind of tasks that they will assign you are listed over here, and you can start making money very quick. You can do some image and video processing, data verification and cleanup, information gathering, data processing, you know, a lot of different jobs that you might be interested in doing, you might be happy doing, or you might find enjoyable. So take a look at it, check it out, make sure you sign up. You just go over here and then click over here, and then you're gonna have your regular Amazon sign up webpage, and you can sign up with your same Amazon account that you used to buy. So, or maybe you can create one. You can click over there and create one, and you can sign up and start making money. So I want to thank you very much for watching. I want to welcome you to subscribe. Again, it will help us a lot. It will help you. We'll let you know next time we have another cool video on cool ways to make money online. We want to thank you very much for watching, and we want to welcome you back to our next video, maybe tomorrow, maybe in a few days. Stay tuned and find out when we're gonna post it, but we hope to see you back here. Take care. See you later.